Those of us that have struggled with cell phones in the classroom, really a big struggle, have got to realize that yes, that wasn't my way growing up because we didn't have them. But it's their way now. It is the way. We can ban cell phones all day long, folks, and it's never going to stop because cell phones are a way of life. So instead of banning this stuff, let's start teaching kids how to use them, how not to use them, so they won't get into trouble, so they won't get hurt, so they can benefit from them, and they can be nice to one another. As soon as you ban something that is actually part of the way people live, all you're doing is making a bigger problem and creating a bigger gap. So we got to let go of some of that stuff. Technology came at us fast and furious. First thing I do with my kids who are addicted to their cell phone, which cell phones are an addiction, would you agree? Most accommodations or most things like that become an addiction very, very quickly. So what I say to all the kids in my high school, I say, look, take your cell phone at the beginning of class, behavioral recommendation. Go ahead and put it on silent, put it on the right front corner of your desk so I can see it. And I challenge you to not turn it over when it vibrates. Play a little game around that. And then I tell you, during talk time, which I always give kids talk time, don't ever think that kids can sit for 50 minutes for a lecture and not talk, because that's not doable. What's the adult attention span for lecture? Any idea? Yeah, about 18 minutes tops. All right? Believe me, I know what's going on here. And you start thinking of stuff. You can't help it. We're human. I get that. This is hard work for you right now. And I say to them, look, you know there's going to be talk time. There's going to be cell phone check time, message time, whatever it is that you social media time. I'm going to give you that time. But I'm going to ask you to wait until I give you that time. So I'm very visible. I walk around that classroom all the time. And you'll see that one kid who puts their big purse in front of the cell phone. You know, I always love that. You get that big purse in front of the cell phone. They're like this. And then the light comes out and hits them in the eyes. And I'll just walk past them and go, challenge, challenge. And they'll go, oh, miss, I hate it when you do this. Yeah, but it's something you got to learn. And then you're so much more in control because you didn't let that thing control you. But I'm not going to ask you to put it away and never check it for the 5.5 hours in the school day. That's crazy. I can't even have you not check it for a 55-minute or a 90-minute class period. That would be crazy too. It's not possible. Adults can't even do it. So be reasonable and teach the skill. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.